I'm assuming that you've already heard of dropshipping. That's probably why you're watching this video right now. You most likely saw some short form content of people talking about e-commerce and dropshipping, how much money that they're making, seeing these 17 to 25-year-olds running around in supercars, making it seem extremely easy. And that's probably why you searched for it, and now you're here. Now, I'm not going to disagree and say dropshipping isn't easy, but there's actually a lot more to it that meets the eye. Starting this side hustle or trying to make it a full-time career, you're essentially running as a one-man team. You're doing all of the financing, you're doing all of the marketing, you're managing the ads, you're building the website, you're dealing with the fulfillment, and so on. So there really is a lot of moving pieces here, but dropshipping in general is a fantastic low barrier to entry and low cost business that you can start today. I personally started dropshipping back in 2018, so I'm going on my 6th year now. And over that time, I've sold close to 200,000 orders. One of my stores had over 100,000, which you can see the plaque for right there. And actually starting this side hustle at the time allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job, which was always what I dreamed for. So what is dropshipping? If you are coming here and you still don't know what the concept is, dropshipping is really just a logistics model rather than a business model. How dropshipping typically works is you'll build out a Shopify store, you'll upload a product on there from a software, you'll find a supplier for that product, you'll create some advertisements to get traffic onto your website, and hopefully those customers make a sale. And when they do make a sale, you take that revenue and pay for the product cost for your supplier. And then your supplier is the one that's warehousing and will actually ship out that product to the end customer. That's what dropshipping is in a nutshell. And in this video, I'm going to walk you guys through step by step the easiest way to start dropshipping right now. And doing it this way and following this video specifically, it's a low budget way. So it really opens up a lot of opportunity for you guys out there that don't want to spend a ton of money trying to start this side hustle. So let's get right into it. So step one, we have to find a product. If we don't have a product in mind that we want to sell, we can't build a store, we can't create ads, we really can't do anything. So it all starts there. Most beginners that I see when they start looking for a product, they really get analysis paralysis and can't decide which product to choose and which one to start with. And then a lot of people actually just give up on this stage and move on. So keep this in mind when you're looking for your first winning product. The two things that you need to keep in mind that I think weigh the most are marketing angles and if the product is a problem-solving product. Those are the things that beginners should be looking for in this winning product. And if you don't know what marketing angles are, it's essentially just a way to advertise your product to a sub niche within a larger niche. So a great example that I like to use to understand marketing angles is this product right here. This is Zima Dental. So if you haven't seen this product before, I fell in love with this marketing angle. I thought it was a great idea. The product is a retainer cleaner, but if you take a look at the product itself, it actually looks really similar to another product. That product is that supersonic jewelry cleaner, right? So you put in your jewelry and it shakes the dirt off. They took this exact product and slapped on the marketing angle of, hey, this is for retainers only. This isn't for jewelry. This is what we're going to be selling this product as, and the marketing angles that we're going to be pushing for this product. They didn't change anything about the product. All they did was put an angle and an idea in the consumer's mind of what to use this product for. That's primarily how marketing angles work. And the more marketing angles that you can come up with for a product when you're doing research, the higher chance of success that you have. If you've got 2 marketing angles versus 10 that you come up with, the one that you came up with 10, you have a higher chance of success because you can test 10 different angles and 10 different demographics of people that you're trying to target. And the odds of you finding one of the angles that works is a lot higher. You're shooting 10 free throws versus 2. Definitely want to keep that in mind when you're looking for a product. And the second one is obviously problem-solving product. It's a lot easier to sell a problem-solving product than it is to sell something that people don't necessarily need, like luxury clothing. But if you find a product like this one matching with your marketing angle, it does solve a problem. So the problem that it solves is obviously dirty retainers. You can plan the whole hygiene section of it, cleanliness, pretty much everything. A lot of people ask me where I find winning products. This is my go-to product research software. They are called Manea. And anything that I talk about in my YouTube videos of softwares that I use or anything like that, they all have free trials and discount codes. So I'll put them all down below in the description if you want to try any of them out. So what I like about Manea is it consolidates everything on AliExpress in a better way though, right? So on AliExpress, you're scrolling for hours and hours looking for a product to sell and you're just going down rabbit holes and not finding things that you like. I like that Manea consolidates all of the product research done in one place. My favorite feature is the top 10 products of the day by platform. So they update this every single day with up and coming products that are doing well on each respective platform. And so if you click on TikTok right here and you see this period cramp relief and you're like, hey, I like this advertisement, I like this product, you can actually click right here on the destination link and it'll take you to their store. So if you're scrolling and you find this product right here and you're like, I want to sell this coat too, it'll show you the advertisement and you can click on the destination link so you can go directly to their landing page to see how they're selling it, what price they're selling it for, all of the above, pretty much doing all of your product research for you. You can also see advertisements that are similar to the product, how many views this one has specifically, how many shares, how many comments. This is where I do all of my product research. It just makes it a lot easier and it definitely beats scrolling on AliExpress endlessly. All right, now after we've passed the step of finding our product, we actually need to move on to step 2, which is building our Shopify store. And to be honest with you, I wouldn't worry about this too much because I am a certified partner with Shopify. So they're paying me to train you guys for free. So what that consists of is we can actually build you guys a custom Shopify store, load winning products onto it. You'll get access to my mentorship where we do 3 live coaching calls a week, sometimes more, full A to Z guides, resources, everything that you need to get started. And again, this is completely free thanks to Shopify. So if you guys want to get your free custom store, join the mentorship and actually learn from me. I just got off a coaching call about an hour ago where we cover any topic that you guys want to talk about or solve any problem that you're having with your store. It's super simple. I'll drop it down below in the description. It takes like 10 minutes to get your store built and then you're popped right into the mentorship. All right, so after we've built our store, we've got our product picked out. We're going to be moving on to step 3. And we're trying to do this on a low budget. So we actually want to order the product to our house immediately. So for an example here, if we wanted to sell this laser putter, which is a product I've actually sold organically before, and we decided, hey, this is the one that we want to sell. I like golf. I came up with some great marketing angles for it. You want to order the product immediately to your house. You can just go on Amazon and get it like the same day or deliver the next day, because we want to have that product in hand to film content, especially doing this on a low budget, which I'll cover later on in this video. There's a difference between organic traffic and paid traffic. And while keeping low budget in mind, organic is the best way to go. For a YouTube video, I specifically took this product, ordered it to my house, built out the store with the $1 Shopify trial. So I was all in for under $100, and running it organically, I scaled up to just over $4,000 in a little over a month. So it's very, very doable to do this organically on a low budget. All right, so after we've ordered the product to our house and we're waiting for it to come in, we're going to be moving on to step 4. And step 4 is finding your supplier. So once we make a sale on our website and a customer purchases from us, we have to ship out that product to the customer, and then we get to keep the profit in between. But we need to have a supplier to do this. Hence the term dropshipping. We don't want to hold the inventory ourselves. So that's where Zendrop comes into play, and they are also a part of the certified partnership program on Shopify. So if you do choose to get your custom store built, all of your products that are uploaded on there are already going to be linked to your Zendrop account, which is super nice. So Zendrop, what it is in a nutshell, is a fulfillment company. So you can search for products on here, like we could find that exact same laser putter on Zendrop, and then you can see it here for $7.94 with a shipping time of about 10 days or under, which is not too bad. Once you scale up, you can request Zendrop to have it fulfilled through the United States warehouse, which will drop that shipping time drastically. And if you are going through the custom store builder for your supplier Zendrop, it'll already be connected to your store. But if you already have a store in mind and you just need a supplier, you can just sign up for a Zendrop account. Then you can connect your store at the top left. It's a super simple process. You just click connect to store I already have, hit continue, and then you integrate it with the Zendrop app on the Shopify platform. And so for the sake of the example, if you wanted to add this product onto your Shopify store and it's already connected, all you'd have to do is hit add to my products and it'll upload onto your Shopify store with the images you see here, as well as all of the description for the product written out for you. We don't have to worry about supplier too much, especially if you're using Zendrop. So in terms of finding a supplier, it's not like the old school days where you'd have to go on AliExpress and message hundreds of people until you found the right one. Zendrop does all of that for you. They're a US based company. They have US warehouses and they own their own warehouses in Shenzhen as well, allowing a lot better customer service and actually have full control of your supply chain. Now that we have our supplier locked down, we need to move on to our next step. Our next step is creating content and posting our advertisements. So hopefully by now the product that you ordered has been delivered to your house, and now we need to create content around it. And there's 2 different types of advertisements that we can do. The first one that we're going to be talking about, and the one I recommend especially for a low budget, is organic. So organic content, if you don't know, or UGC style content, which is user generated content, is pretty much anything that looks native to TikTok or Instagram Reels, just taken with your iPhone. And that's why it was important to order the product to our house so we can film this type of content. So if we go on TikTok and look up laser putter, you're going to see some videos on here advertising this product organically. So this one has 162,000 views. This one has 837,000 views. The idea is to create content like this where it intrigues the user in a TikTok style or Instagram Reel style way, where they watch the video, wonder about the product, it goes viral because of the great algorithms both on Instagram Reels and TikTok. And then you have the link in your bio where people, if they want the product, just go right to your bio and then go right into your Shopify store. Now the strategy with organic, you have to get comfortable if you're not used to posting on TikTok or Instagram Reels. There's kind of a style to it. But the idea of what you want to do is go out and film content for 1 to 3 hours of your product in different scenarios and use cases and marketing angles. Compile all of those, then go back to your house and start editing some videos. And ideally you want to be posting 3 times a day on TikTok, and you can post the same content on Instagram Reels as well. That goes without being said, but you obviously want to open up a TikTok account for your brand as well as an Instagram account. Now posting organically is a little bit more of grinding work than paid traffic in regards to actually having to post 3 times a day and film content. It can get a little bit tedious, and especially in the beginning where you're not getting like any views at all, it takes some time to warm up your TikTok or Instagram account before you actually start to see some views come in on them. But it's definitely the cheapest way to advertise your product and get traffic onto your store where they're going to make some purchases from you. That's really the summary of step 5, just posting on these social media platforms, hoping that the algorithm picks it up and you get some traffic onto your store. Now we're moving on to step 6, which is fulfilling these orders. So all that we'd have to do now that we're already linked onto Zendrop as our supplier, the orders would come in through here. You'd see it in in the order section on the left side, you can see that there's a test order right here. It'll show up this exact same way with whoever your customer is. All you have to do is click fulfill order and then click fulfill order again. And so now Zendrop has fulfilled that order. You've paid for that product cost. They're going to start shipping and handling and sending out that product to the customer. And what's also nice about it, when you fulfill your orders on Zendrop, they will send all of the order fulfillment information automatically to Shopify. So they'll send them the tracking information and all of that and mark the order as fulfilled. Then your customer is automatically going to get a notification from Shopify saying your order is fulfilled. Here's the tracking number. You'll see it soon. So that's what's really, really nice about having a solid supplier like Zendrop, as they handle all of that for you. And even if you want to get a little bit more lazy and you don't want to manually fulfill your orders, they do have the auto fulfillment section at the top right. Basically, you can set it to say every next day, fulfill all of the orders. And it'll just charge whatever card that you have to pay for the product cost. And then you won't have to worry about it at all because you've collected all the revenue from Shopify. That's how you're going to fulfill your orders. So that's going to move us on to the next step, which is moving into paid. Let's say our organic advertisements have been running well for a while and we've made maybe 100 sales and we've profited, let's just say $1,000. Now we can either keep doing organic and trying over and over again to get viral videos, or we can move into paid traffic. Paid traffic is a lot easier to scale up in my opinion because you have full control of how much traffic that you're getting. But paid traffic is any time that you use a social media platform to pay for your advertisements to be shown. That could be TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, any of those you can pay to have your advertisements shown. And what's really good about doing organic traffic first is that the algorithms like Instagram Reels and TikTok are actually designed to promote videos that are engaging with higher watch times. So if you did get a viral video through organic traffic and one did 100,000 while all of your others just did 1,000 views, that one is clearly indicating that people are the most interested in that ad. Now we know that ad and that angle is the best performing one. We've tested it against other ads that didn't perform as well. Let's take that best performing ad and move it into paid traffic. So you can literally just download that video and move it into TikTok paid, and you're gonna have a better chance of it doing well because you already know that it's engaging. Now I'm not gonna do a full walkthrough of setting up your paid ads and all of that. I've got a ton of videos on my YouTube channel going step by step and the strategies that I use. So make sure to check those out after this if you're ready for that step. And also TikTok right now is doing a crazy bonus offer. So if you sign up for TikTok for Business, where you can do your paid traffic, they're giving you up to $2,400 in TikTok ad credits. It's matched and based on how much you spend on advertising. So if you spend up to $1,200, you get $2,400 in ad credits, which is a really great offer because if you're trying to scale up your store or you're testing ads, you're gonna save a ton of money with those ad credits. I'm not sure how long TikTok is offering that bonus, but if you want to take advantage of it, I'll throw it down below in the description. And to get qualified for it, all you have to do is create an account and put just $1 in it. Now that we've moved it into paid, hopefully, and we've covered how to fulfill orders, and let's say you're spending $100 in paid and you're doing some organic and you're making $400 a day in sales. That's all great, but we really want to be able to scale these up to make even more money. That's when you'd go back into your paid, and the campaigns that are working, you'd want to scale them up by duplicating them or adding them into CBOs, essentially just spending more money on paid traffic to get more traffic to your store to make more sales. Again, I'm not going to cover that full strategy because that's all over my YouTube channel already. But in this final step, we don't want to stop there. We always want to be continuously testing. We want to be testing new products, new marketing angles, new ad creatives, different landing pages, A/B testing different offers and price points, because we can always optimize our store. In e-commerce and paid traffic is always a really touchy game. One day you can have a fantastic ad creative that you scaled up and paid to $2,000 a day, and out of nowhere that ad can fatigue, too many people have seen it, and your click-through rate goes down and less conversions. So you always want to be ahead of that curve. Just assume something is going to go wrong at some point, and with that assumption, you need to be testing, preparing things, and scaling other products in ad creatives so that way it doesn't just crash out of nowhere. So in summary, those are the steps that you need to take in dropshipping. It's pretty simple. I covered them quickly. Obviously, each step does take a little bit of time, but this is just an overview of how to get started and what it's actually going to take. If this sounds like something that you want to do and you're excited about it and you want to come learn about e-commerce and actually make this your side hustle or your full-time gig, definitely make sure to check out the mentorship program. It's lifetime access. Join the coaching calls, get the free coaching, and actually learn how to build your e-com business. Again, that's completely free, comes with a custom store. It's in the description down below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm stoked on your interest in dropshipping. It's really changed my life, and I've definitely been in your shoes before. It's a lot to cover, a lot to learn, but it is definitely worth it. You can make great money. You have the freedom location, the time freedom, and there's just so many different benefits that come along with working for yourself. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out some of my other videos on YouTube if you're interested in e-com and want to learn. As always, guys, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.